Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making green chicken pozole. This is one of my all-time favorite meals, so I can't wait to share this recipe with you. Let's get started. Now let's walk through the ingredients. You're going to need quite a bit of water, 2 pounds of chicken thighs, 1.5 onions, a whole bunch of cilantro, 1 poblano pepper, 1 Anaheim pepper, a pound of tomatillo, 1 jalapeño, and then we're gonna need 1 can of Juanita's hominy. Moving on into the seasonings, we're gonna need some chicken bouillon, some bay leaves, black pepper, salt, oregano, and some garlic powder. And now for the toppings that are really gonna make this dish. Tostadas, some avocado, some limes, 1 jalapeno, a couple radishes, some oregano, and some cabbage. For step 1, we're gonna make our green sauce. So you're gonna need a medium pot and fill it about halfway with water. And then we're gonna remove our stem from our jalapeno and place it right in. Same thing with our Anaheim pepper and our poblano pepper. Then we will remove the husks from our tomatillos and place them right in. Now that you have placed all your ingredients inside the pot, we're gonna let this boil until your chilies are nice and softened and your tomatillo has turned a dull green. Once that's done boiling, you're gonna strain the water and place it into a blender. As you can see, the tomatillo turned a dull green. We are then going to add in half an onion, a cilantro bunch. For the seasonings, we're gonna add some salt, black pepper, oregano, and some garlic powder. Now we're gonna blend this. Once you have blended this for about a minute, we're gonna go ahead and set it to the side and get started with the chicken. Now, let's get the broth going. In a large pot, we will add our chicken thighs, our whole onion cut in half, as well as our seasonings, chicken bouillon, garlic powder, salt, pepper, 2 bay leaves, and enough water to cover everything. Now we're gonna go ahead and bring this to a boil. We're gonna let it simmer about 30 to 40 minutes. You will notice some foam forming at the top, but we're just gonna go ahead and skim that right out, and we're gonna wait until our chicken is nice and tender. While we have that boiling, we're gonna get our toppings ready. Yay! All our toppings are all set and ready. We're gonna set these to the side. Once the chicken is nice and cooked, we're gonna go ahead and pull it out and start shredding it or chopping it like I like to do. I love the chicken and the texture of these little cubes. So now once you're done chopping it, you can go ahead and set it to the side. Now we are gonna combine all of our remaining ingredients into our chicken broth. So we're gonna start off with our chicken, our hominy. We're gonna scoop that right in because it's going to make a mess if we don't. Then our green sauce. We're gonna give this all a good stir. Then we're gonna let this simmer for another 20 to 25 minutes. Yay, we're to the finish line. All done. I've already placed all of my favorite toppings into my bowl, and I want to go ahead and thank you guys for joining me in this video in making my favorite comfort meal. I hope you guys enjoy it and try it out for yourself. If you do, definitely leave me a comment down below, and I hope you follow me.